Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make salad in Avatar World. First, head to your Avatar World home and find the kitchen. Open the refrigerator and pantry to collect your salad ingredients. Look for fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Don't forget a bowl and a cutting board from the kitchen cabinets. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious virtual meal in no time. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare them. Drag the lettuce onto the cutting board. Select the knife tool from your inventory and carefully chop the lettuce into smaller pieces. Repeat this process for other vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers, slicing them into bite-sized portions. As you finish chopping each item, drag it into your empty mixing bowl. With all your vegetables chopped and in the bowl, it's time for the dressing. Head back to the pantry and choose your favorite salad dressing. Drag the dressing bottle over the bowl and pour a generous amount onto your salad. Next, find a spoon tool in your kitchen. Use the spoon to gently mix all the ingredients together, ensuring the dressing coats everything evenly. Your Avatar World salad is almost complete. Grab a clean plate from your cabinets. Carefully scoop the mixed salad from the bowl onto the plate. If you have any extra toppings like croutons or cheese, now is the perfect time to add them. Congratulations, you've successfully made a fresh and tasty salad using this easy method. Enjoy your virtual culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.